What we've got going on here is a massive flipping wheel on the bed of the mill, and what we've got to do is bore out the middle of it. Someone's bought these wheels. I think the tie shop guys brought it round. They'd had them refinished, went to put them on the car, and they didn't fit because this bore is too small. So we've got the boring head set up, and one thing we have got to do is to try and get the thing lined up with the middle of the wheel. And the first thing we're going to have to do to get that sorted is to wind out the ram of the mill. We've got the wheel pretty damn close to the base of the mill at the back there, so we can't wind that any further back. So in order to get this lined up, which it ain't at the minute, we've got to move the whole thing's got to come forward. So let's give that a go. Next step is going to be getting this milling spindle in the centre of the wheel. So I'll need to put the clock on this and indicate on this internal diameter here. Another use for our little baby calipers here is measuring this bore. I've very conveniently got the boring tool in the way, but that is, I'm going to have to drop this bed a bit because I'm going to need to measure this as we're going along. Let's do that now. A bit more clearance required. It's a bit better. And we're reading about 72.6 at the minute. I'll just move that. Yeah, I think so. And it needs to be 74.1. We've got to take 1.5 mil out of this. Not a lot, but I'm having a job mate reading this upside down. The guys who brought it in said it was 72.6. I think they're probably right. The bore's a bit rough. But yeah, first step, put a clock on it. I think we've got this pretty damn close. The stylus of the indicator is running on the painted inside surface of the wheel, which is a little bit rough. So it's a bit hard to get it spot on, but I think we're pretty much there. We've got about between 2 and 4 thou reading on the clock, which would be a total indicated run out of what, a thou. I doubt if the wheel's made to. It's reading 5 there. Let's see if we go round. Yeah, I doubt if the wheel is made to closer tolerance than that. About 3.5 there. Oh, it's getting too dark to see. I can see it, but the camera can't. About 4. I think we're okay to take a trial skim actually. Get the clock out of there. Oh, we can't see that, can we? I can see it. About 3.5 there. That's about 3.5 there. Yeah, I think so. That'll do us. Well, we've just about cleaned the paint off of that, so I think we were pretty good with our centering of the milling spindle onto the wheel. That looks pretty good, so all we need to do now is actually start winding that tool out on the boring head and get it up to size. So let's see. Whoa. And as with most of our old tools, they're working inches and thous, so I need to convert the size that we're aiming for into inches and then measure it in inches and work in thous. 72.82 at the minute, I would say. 72.8, okay. Okay, convert into inches. .862. And we're looking for 2.917. I think we might do 10th hour cuts perhaps. It's not a terribly rigid tool in the boring head. Let's take 10th hour for that and see what that gives us. to 887. So that's saying 30 thou. We take another 10 thou cut off. Some lovely chatter going on there. Oh dear. Not sure if there's much we can do about that with the tool bit that we've got in there. I don't think it'll matter terribly. It's not nice, but as long as the size is good, it shouldn't affect the way the thing fits on the car. $290. Oh, $290 what? $2,908. Yeah, it was till I moved it. $10,000, another 5 on the size. We'll try a bit of oil on the job. A bit of lubrication might help matters. think we've got 2.92 there, which is slightly over what we were looking for. 74.15, well, that's it. What was it looking for? 74.1. Yeah, we're 74, well, might be 74.2. I'm sure that'll be fine. Well, one down. It's a horrible finish, I don't like that. Never mind. Clean the swarf out, take it off the machine.